Hey everyone, and welcome to the first official course. You already saw the introduction, but this is the first actual course in our big, giant, mega course about tax lien certificate investing. What we want to start with in this first section is an overview of how tax lien investing works. Right before we get into start talking about specific methods and tips and tricks and tools that you can use, we want to establish a foundation to make sure that we're all on the same page before we move forward into some of those more advanced techniques. And in case you didn't see it before, I'm Michael Decker. I'm a contributor to myopenpath.com. And, I do the techniques that I'm talking about, in this course and in other courses. So I do bring a little bit of a practical experience to the table. So, what are we going to be going over here in this first course? An overview of how tax lien investing works. First one's the module is going to be about the vocabulary you need to know. Whether you're researching this, whether you're on county websites, whether you're at the actual auction, you're chatting with fellow investors, you're going to hear different words come up. And we just want to make sure that you have a clear understanding of the difference between property taxes and a tax lien and a tax lien certificate, right? They're three different things. What is a redemption period? What is foreclosures? And some of that vocabulary like that. What's the difference between bid down and a premium bid? Module number two, we're going to go into a little bit of the background, the legal background as to why counties sell these tax lien certificates. What's in it for them? Why are they willing to take such extreme measures? Module number three is going to talk about how investors like you and I can make money from tax delinquent properties, right? The tax lien certificates. And this is probably going to be the most important part you want to pay attention to, because there's more than one way to make money with tax lien certificates, as we'll see. But we want to make sure that we're motivated as we go into this. And at the end of the day, right, that's why we're doing this. Yeah, we are helping the community, but we're also in it to make a profit. Module 4 is going to talk about the actual tax lien sales, which in most areas are auctions, either online or in person. What's it like? What are the rules? What can you expect when you go there? And the final module of this little course is going to talk about the psychology you need to have if you're going to be a successful tax lien certificate investor. This is not like day trading. You need to approach it differently. There's steps before you actually even purchase your tax lien certificates that you need to take. And if you don't have the right psychology, the right attitude, the right approach, it's never going to work for you. So when we go into that, use that as a chance to evaluate if you're the type of person that you can adapt your methods and your way of doing things to what we're going to be talking about. Because if you can't, don't bother going through the rest of the course, because it's not going to make sense for you. Go learn something else. Go learn how to do short sales, or puts and calls in the stock market. But if you can follow the basic rules that we'll go over in Module 5, then yeah, you have a good chance of having some success with this. Okay, well, that's it. I'll see you in the next module where we're going to talk about the vocabulary of tax lien investing. If you would like to watch the entire course on tax lien certificate investing, go ahead, click on the link below, right here in the description, and go to myopenpath.com. Once there, you can either set up an account to be able to watch the entire tax lien investing course, or you can set up a free demo account to kind of test drive this site and at least watch the next module in this course. Myopenpath.com is the world's largest training library. We talk about real estate investing, online business building, and financial education. We have over 1,000 hours of content teaching you how to build income streams from home. So come on over to myopenpath.com and click on the link. It's right there. Go ahead, just click on it.